Hello learners, today we will solve this question. What is the formula for finding the area of circle with radius 5 units and what is the circumference of the same circle? So in the question they are asking us to find the area of the circle with radius given as 5 units and they are also asking us to find the circumference of that same circle. Okay, so this is my circle. Okay, this is my circle. This is the center O and this is a point on the circumference that is A. And this OA represents radius of 5 units. Okay. Now the question is asking to find the area. So we know area of circle, the formula is pi r square. Okay, where r is the radius and pi is equal to 3.14. Or you may take it as 22 upon 7. Okay, I am here taking 3.14. Okay, so now we will put the values. So pi is equal to 3.14 into r is our radius is our 5 units. So we will write here it 5 to the power 2 or 5 square. Okay, now we will solve it. So it will be 3.14 into 5 square is 25. Now, if you multiply them 3.14 into 25, you will get the value as 78.5. Okay, so the final answer will be 78.5. As we are asked to find the area, so in unit we will write square units. Okay, whenever there is a given area, the formula is of area, then you have to put the unit in unit, you have to put a square. So we will write 78.5 square units. Or in place of unit, if it is given centimeter or meter, then you have to write centimeter square or meter square, whatever it is given in the question. Okay, for now as it is given unit, so we will not write anything, we will write square units. Clear? Now the second thing in the question that is asked is find the circumference also. Okay, we need to find the circumference also, circumference of circle. Okay, circumference is nothing but same as perimeter. Okay, we don't use the word perimeter in circle, rather we use the word circumference. Circumference means to find the length of this boundary. Okay, this boundary, we need to find the length of this boundary. Suppose we start from this point A. Okay, like this we start from point A, we move and again we come to the point A here. So this whole complete circle, this whole boundary is known as circumference. Okay, this whole boundary from point A again to point A, this complete circle of this boundary is known as circumference. Okay, circumference of circle. We don't use the word perimeter in circle, we rather use circumference. Okay, so formula to find the circumference is 2 pi r. Okay, here r is same radius and pi is 3.14. Okay, we will put the values. We will write here 2 into 3.14 into 5. So first what we will do, we will multiply 2 and 5 because they are whole numbers. So we will directly write 2 into 5, 10 into 3.14. And when you multiply 10 with 3.14, the final answer will be 331.4. Okay, now the formula is for circumference, means perimeter. Okay, so in unit we will not put any square or cube, we will rather write it 31.4 unit. Okay, no square or cube we need to write here. Okay, so this is our final answer. Is it clear? Okay, bye, thank you.